Hola amigos! Staying indoors during the quarantine period, we all want to take our mind off things happening all around us and maybe find ourselves on Caribbean island beaches, sipping Mai Tai and shading under palm trees. Let's consider the classic version of this drink. Spirit part Havana Club 3 and 7, sweet part triple sec liquor and almond syrup, but sour part is free. Alcohol base is a mix of different rums. Dark 7-year-old rum Havana Club, Golden Double Exposure rum Especial and light 3-year-old rum. Mix equal proportion. You can also use it in different cocktails with rum. The sweet note of our cocktail is almond syrup orgeat. The recipe is very simple. Take 200 grams of almond, peel it and bake it. Grind it in a blender with 200 grams of water. Pour this mixture in a pan. Add 200 grams of sugar and 2-3 pinches of orange peel. Boil it and let it brew for 2 hours. Strain it those super bag or gauze. Cool it. Orgeat is ready. It's time for the sour accent. Let's add lime soonest for the pineapple packet juice. Mix 16 grams of citric acid and 10 grams of malic acid in 500 milliliters of juice. Voila! All our premixes are ready. It's time to mix everything. Cool the glass. Take a shaker. Pour a fine 16 milliliters portion of mixed rum. Pour 15 milliliters of homemade almond syrup, 14 milliliters of sour pineapple juice. Pour the cocktail using a fine strainer. Lick the melt water. Decorate it with pineapple, a little sprinkle with ground cinnamon. Drip a 2-3 dashes orange bitter. Enjoy!